Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best Sony and Bose soundbars that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 4 is the Sony HT-A7000. This soundbar is a game changer for those wanting Dolby Atmos and DTS:X support in a compact design. Thanks to its vertical sound engine, it upscales audio to near 7.1.2 channels, creating an expansive soundstage. The dual built-in subwoofers add depth to the bass, eliminating the need for an external subwoofer and keeping your setup tidy. The HT-A7000 is versatile, equipped with 4K HDR pass-through and HDMI eARC for high-quality audio and video. The slim, low-profile design makes it a stylish addition to any entertainment setup. With 7 sound modes, you can tailor the audio profile to suit movies, music, or gaming. It's also easy to set up, with all the essential cables included in the box. While it's a step up in terms of features and performance, the HT-A7000 does have some limitations. The 25-watt maximum output power might not satisfy audiophiles or users with large living spaces. Additionally, while the sound quality is excellent, it's still not on par with premium setups that include separate subwoofers and rear speakers. This soundbar is ideal for users looking for a sleek, all-in-one solution for small to medium-sized rooms. At number 3, we have the Sony HT-S40R. If you're seeking a powerful soundbar with a wireless subwoofer for deeper bass, this one might be a perfect fit. The HT-S40R features S-Force Pro Front Surround and Dolby Digital technology for cinematic sound, making it great for movie nights. The inclusion of the X-Balance speaker unit ensures clear dialogue and a well-rounded audio experience. The design is practical, with a flat back for flush wall mounting. The wireless subwoofer adds flexibility in placement and delivers impressive low-frequency performance. With a maximum power output of 330 watts, this soundbar can easily fill medium to large rooms with dynamic sound. Setup is a breeze, with HDMI ARC and optical connectivity options. However, while the HT-S40R excels in bass and surround sound simulation, it lacks support for advanced formats like Dolby Atmos. The OLED display window and simple remote make operation intuitive, but some users might find the sound customization options limited. Overall, this soundbar is an excellent choice for users who want a powerful, bass-heavy audio experience without breaking the bank. In second place, we have the Sony HT-S2000. This soundbar brings Dolby Atmos and DTS:X to a compact design, delivering an immersive 3.1-channel surround sound experience. The built-in dual subwoofers and dedicated center channel ensure clear dialogue and robust bass, making it a standout in its class. Sony's vertical surround engine and S-Force Pro Front Surround enhance the soundstage, giving you a theater-like experience. The HT-S2000 is packed with convenience features, including the Sony Home Entertainment Connect app, which turns your smartphone into a remote control. With HDMI, eARC, USB, and optical audio inputs, this soundbar offers versatile connectivity. It's also compatible with optional rear speakers and subwoofers for users wanting to expand their setup. While it's an excellent choice for its size, the HT-S2000 might not satisfy those looking for a more powerful system for larger rooms. Additionally, some users may find the app-based control less intuitive than traditional remotes. But for its compact design and rich feature set, the HT-S2000 is a great option for modern living spaces and users who value premium audio in a small footprint. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.